Alright guys, that time has come. I got tired of waiting for the warm weather, and I just really needed to try out this Seadoo. Just letting it warm up for the next minute or two. It is the first run of the year and it's pretty chilly out here. What we're going to do is test it out, make sure everything works all well, and is ready for the start of the season. I'm kind of excited to hit the gas on this, but we'll do that later on once we make sure everything else is running properly. It's a bit of a northern wind, so the south end of Cooks Bay will be probably pretty rough today, but we'll make it out to the mouth, see how it is, explore the river a bit, and take it from there. So welcome to the first Seadoo adventure of the year. Welcome welcome back, glad to have you, and let's go. Cue the music, let's get this show on the road. That was a successful but frozen run. I am absolutely frozen. But you know what? We ran it, we ripped it around in sports mode. Everything works except depth finder, and I know what that is. I just need to top up the antifreeze because that thing's been fixed 6 times and always leaks. But not bad. Used half a tank of gas in an hour, but sports mode will do that for you, so no issues. I'm gonna pull it back out onto my ramp. From there it's down to a deep cleaning because this thing is pretty filthy, but get it nice polished up, shined up, do my fishing stuff. Once my fishing stuff's all set up, put the cooler on, put it away, and we're ready to kick off the next season. So good news, everybody. I guess I need to change my logos to the new name on the Seadoo. Crap, never thought about that. Well, I did, but I didn't remember. So yeah, for now, as always, thanks for watching. Glad to be back out on the water. I think might have a different video coming out this week. Maybe by next weekend we could go fishing off of this thing. We'll see. But for now, thanks for watching. Peace.